Hi guys! Guess who's with me today for phonics? It's dun 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 dun. Yay! It's Fred the Frog! Can you say hi to Fred the Frog? Hey Fred! Hey, we missed you yesterday. Where were you? We thought you got stuck in the school, so why are you here with us today? Aha! He said he missed us so much. Fred, I know you have a sound for us today. What is our sound today, Fred? Oh, it's k. K. Can you say k? Okay, so my turn and then your turn. K. 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 Well done, children. So, Fred has some words that have nk sound in them. But before we study these words, Fred is going to just sit back here and relax and just watch us do the sound. Okay. All right. So, what is the first word that we have here? Nk. All right. Okay. So when you talk like Fred, or if you do the Fred talk, you will read it this way. Nk. Nk. But then, if you don't do the Fred talk, you can say wink, wink. All right? So, first you do the Fred talk. Okay. My turn and then your turn. Nk. Well done. Okay, so can we blend these sounds together? Okay. Wink, wink. Nk. Nk. Wink, wink. Well done. Okay, what about this word? Shall we do the Fred talk? All right, my turn and then your turn, all right? So, s, t, I, nk. Okay, so if we blend all the sounds together, they become stink. Can you say that again? Stink. All right. Well done, children. Okay, so what about this word? I'm sure you remember the sound of these two letters. Th. Can you say th? Th. I. Nk. Th. I. Nk. Okay, your turn. Well done. Okay, so if you blend these sounds together, they become think. Can you say that? Think. Okay, well done. So, how many words do we have now that have nk sound in them? We have the w, I, nk, w, I, nk. Wink. Okay, next we have st, I, nk, st, I, nk, stink. And the last one, we have th, I, nk, th, I, nk, think. Okay, children, now we are going to write the sound nk. Okay, let's start from the letter N or the N. Okay, how do we write the N sound? Down, knobby. If you can remember, this is knobby, okay? And this is the net. So we say down, knobby, and over the net. Down, knobby, and over the net. So we always start from, is it from the top or from the bottom? From the top, yes. Okay, so we start from the top, from this dot here. And then we say down, knobby, and over the net. Okay? So this is knobby, and that's the net. And then how do we write the K sound? Let's see. K. Remember the K sound, it has a kangaroo. Alright, so let's imagine the kangaroo is here. And when we are going to write the K sound, we have to say down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. Okay? So this is the kangaroo's body, and then the tail and the leg. Alright? Okay, children, now we are going to review our letter sounds. If you can see these two letters together, the nk sound, you clap your hands, okay? All right, so let's start with k. K. Well done. And this one? Remember, you have to clap your hands when you see the sound nk. Okay, what about this sound? Eh. Eh. Well done. S. S. Did I hear a clap? Okay. Okay, children. Can you please get a piece of paper and a pen and write these three words, okay? The first one is w, I, nk, wink. S, t, I, nk, stink. Th, I, nk, think. All right, so please take a picture of your writing and upload it on Seesaw. Well done, children. Thank you so much. You've worked so hard since yesterday. Now we have to say goodbye to Fred the Frog. Say bye, Fred the Frog. Bye.